Hey, let me quickly show you unboxing of the JBL Go 4. So first of all, let's take a look on the box, and as you can see in this speaker we can actually find Bluetooth 5.3, and also we got 7 hours playtime on the single charge. Right here we cannot find anything interesting, but here, yeah, there's actually the 7 hours of playtime, and we can find IP67 waterproof and the dust proof, and it's also compatible with the JBL portable application. So now let's go inside and let's check what kind of the accessories we can find on this device. So I believe that we can open it from this place. There we go, and here it is. So that's how it looks. There is the bottom. Right here we can find power button, Bluetooth connection, and indicator. And at the top we can find volume down, volume up, play and the pause button. On the right side, now we can find the USB-C port, the name of the device, and on the back some kind of the marking. Okay, let's check if we can actually turn it on. Okay, we can. And now let's take a look for some other accessories. Okay, it's going to start beeping, so I'm gonna turn it off. There we go. And now, as you can see inside, we can find the warranty card, some safety information, nothing interesting, so I'm gonna put it back. And right here we can actually find the cable to charge it, and this is the USB-C to the USB-A. And yeah, that's all. Right here I've got also the JBL Go 3, and if you are looking for some comparison for the sound test or for the design test, for sure I'm gonna do this on my channel. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.